Hi friends, today's story is called Sea Creatures. This was written by Anne Faundez, and it's a start reading together story. But if you'll notice, doesn't need an illustrator because they're using real pictures. Usually when books use real pictures, they are nonfiction. That means they are true. Here we go. This one is called Sea Creatures. So this has a table of contents that tells us what we're going to be learning about in this story. And we're going to flip to the back and look at all of our vocabulary words. The glossary gives us vocabulary words. So here they are. Here's the words we're going to learn. Camouflage, something that makes an animal look part of its surroundings, so it makes it blend in. Carnivore, an animal that eats other animals. Communicate, a way of talking among animals. Hatch, when an animal breaks out of the egg. Mammals, an animal that feeds on its mother's milk. We also talked about that they have fur and their babies are born alive and their babies feed on their milk. So they do not lay eggs. Go. The next one is prey, an animal that is hunted and eaten by another animal. Predator is the animal looking for the prey. It's an animal that hunts, kills, and eats other animals. So the predator is looking for the prey. And streamlined is a body that is long and thin and can move quickly. So those are some of our animals, and here's a page and index where you can know where to look up if you wanted to know about manatees. You can see that they're on page 6 and 7. All right, let's go back to the beginning and read our sea creatures story. Here we go. Under the sea. It's a beautiful illustration, isn't it? Lots of amazing creatures live in the sea. Some are large and some are small. Some live deep in the ocean and some live along the shore. The sea is home to animals of all sorts of different colors, shapes, sizes, and patterns. Those animals are very interesting. Manatees. Manatees are mammals. They cannot breathe underwater and come up to the surface for air. They use their flippers to crawl along the seabed. This is a manatee. Manatees talk to each other or communicate by squealing. They are gentle creatures and like to play. They even kiss each other. Octopuses. There's a couple of pictures of them. Octopuses have 8 long arms called tentacles. These are covered in suckers. Octopuses use their tentacles to grip onto rocks and other surfaces. They also use their tentacles to catch food. When attacked, octopuses shoot black ink at their enemies. Octopuses can also hide by changing their skin color to match their surroundings. This is called camouflage. So they blend in and people don't know they're there. Camouflage. Seahorses. Seahorses are small creatures that are a type of fish. Some seahorses are only 13 inches long. Seahorses swim using fins along their back to help them move forward. Barracudas. Barracudas live in warm seas. Their long or streamlined body helps them to move fast in search of prey. They have strong jaws and lots of sharp teeth. They are carnivores and eat smaller fish. They have even been known to attack humans. Here's a barracuda. He looks kind of scary, doesn't he? Angelfish. How pretty he is. Angelfish are very colorful. The young fish often has a different pattern and color from the adult. Angelfish live among coral reefs. Their coloring camouflages them so they can swim safely through the corals without being spotted by any predators. Seals. Seals look clumsy on land, but they are good swimmers and move very fast through water. A layer of fat called blubber keeps the seals warm in cold seas. Baby seals, or pups, are very playful. So that's neat that their babies are called pups. Sea anemones. anemones look like plants, but they are a type of animal. They are brightly colored with long, wavy tentacles. They have a mouth in the middle of their bodies. Sea anemones attach themselves to corals and rocks, and they use their tentacles to catch their prey. Sea anemones are carnivores. They eat small fish, shrimp, and crabs. So it looks like a plant, but it's really alive. Sharks. Sharks are fierce predators and eat other sea animals. They swim in the open sea as well as along coasts and reefs. Sharks have huge, strong jaws and several rows of sharp teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one quickly grows in its place. There's a shark. We're back to our glossary. I hope you learned something new about sea animals and sea creatures today. Maybe you could write about your favorite sea creature. Which one would you like to meet? Maybe write about the one you would not like to meet. I'd love to see your writing. Drop me an email or send me a message or comment in the comments what you think. Have a great day.